Stop paying for AI video tools right now. I'm about to show you guys an AI tool that generates high quality videos completely free. I will be showing you guys the exact workflow I use to get cinematic results. Now, before we jump into the video, please take a second to leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another awesome video just like this. Okay guys, so the AI tool we are going to be talking about in this video is called Qwen AI. And right now, it is one of the most powerful free AI tools out there. And the best part, you can start using it in less than 30 seconds. All you need to do is to go over to Qwen.ai. The next thing you need to do is to come over here and click on sign up. It's going to take you here. This is where you can just enter your name, your email, your password, confirm it, and of course you need to accept your terms and conditions. Then you click on create account. Now once you sign up and log into your account, this is basically where it's going to take you. If you take a look at the interface here, you will see that there is nowhere to generate videos. At this point, most people get confused and they start thinking that this AI tool cannot generate videos, but it is completely wrong. You can actually generate videos here. To do that, all you need to do is to come over here and click on the plus icon, and this is going to open up. All you need to do is to scroll down here. You can see a lot of things you can actually do with this AI tool. So if you want to create a video, just go ahead and click on create video, and now you can go ahead and start creating videos. And over here you can see this is where you can click to change the aspect ratio of the video. So if you want to create YouTube videos or horizontal videos, this is the one you are going to select. If you want to create like a vertical videos, this is the one you are going to select, which is 9:16. They also have 4:3, they have 3:4 and 1:1. So go ahead and select the ratio. So in this video, I'm going to be using 16:9. The next thing I'm going to do right now is to go ahead and paste my prompt. Now this is my prompt here: a cinematic drone shot flying over a futuristic city at sunset, neon lights glowing, flying cars moving between skyscrapers, ultra realistic and cinematic lighting. If you want to make use of any of the prompts I'm going to be using in this video, you can check the video description. I'm going to leave all the prompts there so you can use it to practice if you want. So the next thing I'm going to do is to just go ahead, click. So let's go ahead and wait for the results. All right, so after a few seconds, the AI generates the video. So let's take a look at it. All right, so you can see this is exactly what we asked it to do: a futuristic city with cars flying. This is high quality, and yes, you can actually download it and use it wherever you want for absolutely free. No payments, no watermark. You can literally download it and use it anywhere you want. Just go ahead, click on download, and it's going to basically download straight to your laptop. All right, so let me show you guys another way to do this even better. I'm going to come over here and open a new chat by clicking on the plus icon. Now, instead of generating videos directly, we will now generate images first. Then we can now later turn that image into videos, and that actually gives the best results. So let's go ahead and put that to practice. I'm going to go ahead and paste a prompt. After pasting the prompt here, I'm just going to go ahead and run it. All right, so once the AI generates the image, the next thing we are going to do is to now turn it into a video. And to do that is very simple. Just go ahead and hover your mouse here on the image it creates, then go ahead and click on where it says create video. Once you tap on it, this prompt box is going to open up and ask you to describe the video you want to generate. So I'm going to paste the prompt right here. Now what is going to happen is that this prompt is going to turn this image into a complete video. So let's just go ahead and run the prompt. I'm just going to click on it, and you can see it loading right here. Let's give it some time. Now after some seconds, you can see that the AI turned the image into a complete video. So let's just go ahead and play it and see. I'm going to just go ahead and hit on play here, and you can see a cinematic video generated from the image we create on the same platform. Now, if you really want to get good results from this AI tool, come over at the top here and select the models. So just go ahead, click on it, and here you can see all their models here. So they have Qwen 3.5 plus, they have Qwen 3.5 flash, and if I come over here and click on expand, you can see there are many other models right here, but the one I want you to choose is Qwen 3.5 plus. So after you select it, come over here where it says auto. Don't leave it on auto. Scroll down here and click on thinking. Now this basically allows the AI to think before giving you answers, and by doing that, it helps the AI to actually give you better results or better answers when you prompt it. So let's just go ahead and put it to test. So I'm going to give it a prompt. Create 10 cinematic AI video prompts for generating high quality AI videos. Include detailed description of lighting, camera movements, atmosphere, and scene composition. Remember, we are on thinking mode now. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. And you can see the AI is actually thinking before it gives us answers. Like I said earlier, this is going to give you better results. So right here, after it's finished thinking, you can see it brings 10 cinematic AI video prompts for high quality video generation. All you need to do is to just go through it here and see what you can change or what you can add. So if you want to get amazing results, you can go ahead and select the thinking mode instead of leaving it on auto or on fast mode. Now there is still another underrated feature I'm going to show you guys in this video, which is the community feature. Just come over here, click here to expand this, then come over here and click on community. Once you click on community, it's going to open up and take you here. This is basically a community inside Qwen AI where people can just come over here and upload the project they actually do on Qwen AI. So basically you can come over here and go through the community and see what people already use this AI tool to do and see how you can also replicate them. Another cool thing is that you can even copy their prompts here and recreate something similar to what you see here. So for example, you can select image here and go through it and check. You can select videos and see the type of videos people actually generated here. You can select reports, web dev, and even podcasts. Now, before you get too excited, there is something I want you to keep in mind. Since this AI tool is completely free, there are generation limits. After generating so many videos, you will definitely hit limits. But that is not a complete barrier because all you need to do is to go ahead and wait. After some time, you come back and continue with your video generation again. This is the workflow I personally use to get the best results. I first of all come over to the community and find inspiration. So if I want to generate images, I can click on images and get inspiration. If I want to generate videos, I can click on videos and get ideas. The second thing I do is to generate high quality images first, and after that I can now turn them into videos. And trust me, this actually gives you the best results. Now, not only that, you can actually do a lot of things inside this free AI tool. If I come over here and click on the plus icon again, you can see right here you can upload files here, you can do deep research, you can also create web apps here, sliders. If I click on web dev here, you can create websites, you can create web apps here completely free instead of paying Lovable or other AI tools. If you want something simple and something free, you can come over here and do that as well. If you do appreciate me making this video, please take a second to leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another awesome AI video just like this. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.